Today I'm going to show you how to make this dessert. It's a white chocolate hazelnut praline eclair with a caramel glaze. Doesn't that sound delicious? Let's get into it. Okay guys, for the choux pastry, add to a saucepan the water, the milk and the butter. Bring it to the boil and then take it off the heat. Now add in the flour and the salt. Now mix it until all the flour is fully incorporated, then place it over low heat and cook until it comes away from the edges, and place it into a bowl and let it cool to lukewarm, so when you gradually add in the eggs don't cook and they get incorporated, which is what you want, and beat until smooth. Beautiful. Now pipe the mixture onto a non-stick mat and bake at 180 for 20 minutes, then lower it to 160 for another 15 minutes so that it dries out, and then remove from the oven and let cool. Alright, let's start the filling now. First we're making the hazelnut praline. Roast the hazelnuts at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and set aside. Now we're going to make a caramelized egg, which is a caramel without water. Sprinkle the sugar in 3 stages so it cooks evenly and cook it to golden brown. Add in the hazelnuts and mix until completely coated, and then place onto a non-stick mat. Let cool completely as it is really hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Before you chop it up into pieces, and then you're going to place it in a food processor, whiz it up. It'll probably take about 5 minutes until it turns to a gorgeous paste just like this. Ladies and gentlemen, you have just made hazelnut praline. Give yourself a pat on the back and set aside while we make our pastry cream. In a saucepan, bring to the boil milk, vanilla and cream. And here I'm going to whisk together the sugar, the custard powder, the flour into the egg yolk until pale and fluffy. Now pour the boiling milk cream gradually into the egg yolk mix, whisking constantly. Then pour it back into the saucepan and cook over low heat until it thickens. It should take about 2 minutes, and then strain and add in the white chocolate and mix until smooth. Now we're going to add in the hazelnut praline and mix until completely smooth and cover it and place in the fridge. We're going to now add some cream and whip it to soft peaks. Make sure you don't over whip the cream, you still want that lightness in it, just like that. And beat 1/3 of the mix to loosen the pastry cream up, and fold in the rest and fill a piping bag. Now poke 2 to 4 small holes in the bottom of the eclairs, depending on the size. Fill with pastry cream and place in the fridge for about an hour to fill. Almost there guys. Now for the caramel glaze. Mix together the gelatin and the cold water until fully dissolved, and cover it and place in the fridge for about 20 minutes. While we cook our fondant sugar to a golden brown and deglaze with some hot cream. Be careful, it may spill you. Strain and chill to 60 degrees before you blend in the gelatin, making sure you keep the air bubbles to a minimum. Cover the glaze with cling film and refrigerate for at least 12 hours before reheating. Now guys, reheat the glaze to 30 degrees Celsius and carefully dip one side of the eclair into the glaze and place on a tray, gently tapping off the excess. Place back into the fridge to set the glaze. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It will help me out so much. And like always, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.